Hey y'all, Model Man Frank here. How y'all doing today? So, fuselage of the Puss Moth is working along well. Um, Everything's all set for landing gear mounts. What I'm going to be doing is I still have to put on the nose portion of the aircraft. I'll have to add another slit right here because if you look at it, it's actually unproportioned. Portions are off. This piece here is a little bit too long, so I'll have to add a piece of wood in this area. Just like my old Puss Moth, I'm going to be entering the battery from the bottom, not from the top, because the wings are going to be glued to the fuselage. I liked it that way. It made it easier to work on. Also, the rudder and elevator. The rudder is already glued. I'm using the original rudder. I just have to add a couple of little slits of wood here, so this doesn't move too much. I made it a solid piece elevator. So this is the elevator, and this is the elevator feathers. Here I'm going to be adding a piece of wire, and that way you'll see this. It'll add strength and stability to that. The original pieces for the elevator are right here. This basically what I did is I used them as a template. It was very fragile, and also it broke. So I decided not to use it. It was just a whole lot easier to make new ones. So I think that'll work out really, really well. This is the original piece that went up here, and this will be added to the new elevator, the new rudder, which most likely will be solid also. Just be a whole lot easier to do so. Landing gear, I'm going to use the same wiring as the landing gear. When I did it, everything came out well. These are supposed to be the shocks, this aircraft. So everything was set up just the same. I have to break this off and take it apart, but I'm going to get ready to start setting up the landing gear. And then I have to do some sanding over here, sanding over there. So, but this piece here is the original landing gear. I'm not going to make a new landing gear because it's just way too cumbersome. That's the way the landing gear sets up. And plus, it's not really. I thought it was really badly bent up. I mean, this here I can actually probably pull out and redo everything. I just have to grind all this out and be able to pull it all off. So that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. Next, to work on will be the elevator. The Vickers, if you're waiting for an update on the Victors, on the Victor, the P68, I'm just waiting on the ESCs. I gotta go see a friend of mine who's got a twin ESC that I can use, and we'll be working on that next. So stay tuned, guys. We'll talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out.